Hello everyone, this is AGTechTube and today I'm going to show you how to set up online meetings through Gmail. So go to Gmail and compose a new message, and in this menu click on three dots, more options, and go to set up a time to meet, and then select create an event. In this new menu, you can type the title of meeting. You can change the date to any date you want. You can change the date it starts, ends, and then you can type email addresses of guests you want to invite. And then you can also make a notifications, so it will notify you 30 minutes before the meeting starts. Okay, now you can press save button and the invitation is already prepared, and you can send it to any emails that you want to. Okay guys, this is a pretty straightforward process. As always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you wish to see more of such content. I'm looking forward to catch you in my next videos.